Ito pa yung leftover ng crabs na nahuli namin sa Ras Al Khaimah. And hindi na namin siya maubos dahil hindi siya masarap. It's because baka ma-high blood naman kami pag inubos namin lahat po. So now, what I decided is to extract all the crab meat of the remaining crabs, and then I'll decide what I'll do next. So, let's do it. Yes, it's a lot of crabs. Grabe. This much meat coming from all this. We'll continue. Tinatabi ko yung mga sipit kasi mamaya iuhuli ko sila. Meron tayong marami na. Baka kami makuha pa akong meat sa sipit. Itong kaba nito. Kaso nabukas na siya kaya. See? Kasi we used spears. Gumawa kami ng pana para tutusukin lang. Sibat pala. Sibat. Para tutusukin lang yung crab. Kasi ang hirap pag sasalukin mo siya, makakawala. Hindi pala pwede yung sinasalit. Pwede rin tinutong before ginagamitan namin ng kitchen tongs. Pero pag malalim yung tubig, like hanggang when it's up to your waist, ang hirap. It's difficult to use a tong. So the best way is really to use a spear. Last na, tapos pa naisipit na. Last one. Last crab. So, out of all the crabs I had here, kalahati, ito na yung crab meat na extract ko from all those crabs, and lahat ng balat is here. So maybe I have like half a cup of crab meat out of it. So we'll see. Either we'll use this one for crab meat fried rice, or we'll make crab meat frittata. So I decided to cook crab meat frittata or okoy, at ito yung mga ingredients. So guys, this is my crab meat ukoy, Korean style. Charot!